Hello everyone, welcome to our session on the ls command in Linux operating system. In this short video, we are going to explore different options available with the ls command, which is used to list files and directories in Linux operating systems. So let's begin. Basically, the ls command is one of the most frequently used commands in Linux operating systems. It allows us to see the files and directories present in given location. By default, when we type command ls and hit enter, it displays the contents of the current directory. If you want to display more details about files and directories, you can use the ls command with l, lh or la options. ls with small l option will display files in long format, displaying permissions, owner, size, and modification date. ls with small ls option will display information similar to small l's option, but it will also display file size in human readable format such as kilobytes, megabytes, or gigabytes rather than number of bytes. If you want to display the sorted files based on different criterias, you can use T or capital S or capital X options. ls with T option will sort files by modification time, with the newest ones appearing first. ls with the R option will reverse the ordering of sorting, and ls with the capital S option will sort files by size, listing the largest file size first. And ls with capital X option will sort files by their extension type. In Linux operating system, files starting with dot are hidden by default. To display them, we can use A or capital A option. ls with small a option will show all files including hidden files, whereas ls with capital A option will display similar information as ls with A option, but it excludes the special entries like current directory and the parent directory. If you want to display the file types and want to use colors, you can use F and color option respectively. ls with capital F option will append symbols to file names to indicate their types, such as backslash for directories and * for executable files. And ls with color option will enable color coded output, making it easier to distinguish between files and directories. Okay, if you need to view files and subdirectories as well, you can use capital R or D option. ls with capital R option will list all files and directories recursively, means it will show all the subdirectories also. ls with D option will display only directories, excluding regular files. If you want to check file ownership and permissions, you can use small g and small o options. ls with small g option will display group ownership without showing owner information, whereas ls with small o option will display owner information but omits group details. You can use one or full-time or small I options for filtering and specialized listing of files and directories. For example, ls with the one option will list files one per line for better readability, and ls with full-time option will display full timestamps including seconds. And finally, ls with small I option will show the inode numbers of each file, useful for identifying files uniquely. It should be also remembered that you can also combine different options to get more useful results. For example, if we use ls with lah options, it will list all files including hidden ones in long format with human readable sizes.